I'm gonna cook simple thing, simple dish, and just pack bath with coconut milk. And I'm gonna show you some an exotic food for Filipino, for an Ilocano person same or people same like me. I'm gonna show you guys this. Okay, here. See?
Wait.
I'm gonna show you this one. It's what's inside.
Wait. 1 minute. Let me focus first. Okay.
See, I'm gonna show you. Because I'm gonna show you first. Later we're gonna eat. My cousin gave me this one from my father's side. He gave me this one because my husband will also like this one. See? And some this is bigger. Little bit with the feet. So they cook for adobo one, I think. Nice. I'm gonna show later what's inside this frog. We have the pumpkin or the squash, the eggplant, the snake beans, some magic syrup and chili. But I will use this one because my mother have the hemorrhoids, so he cannot eat some spicy food. So some coconut milk. This is not a not fresh one. I buy from the packet one. Yes.
Now the food is ready. The dish is what? Pug bath with the coconut milk and lot of vegetables and some pork, chicken, something like that. And this is the main exotic dish. This is a small frog, right? But
Og.
Lacano dish. First time I'm going to try this one.
Take your plate.
Okay.
Oh no!
For touching itself, I'm scared. This is the one. This is actually a frog. Okay. See?
We call it og.
Mm.
Did you try? Before you eat this one, I think.
Uh-huh.
Oh no, the
But
other
that
one.
is different.
Same thing.
Yeah. But I'm scared.
You put this one. Going together. You open it.
Which?
The two hands. How you will open by one hand?
See? Inside. The juice is coming out.
Yeah.
Let me
Eat
taste
inside.
first. It's something like a sticky, I can say that.
Inside, can you eat? This is feet,
This is
so
feet,
don't
bone.
eat. Inside,
I don't know what is this one inside.
you both hands.
Okay, let me taste.
What is the taste?
Something like a chicken,
Mm.
right?
You put aside what's inside. You take out also what's
Something-
inside.
See?
Okay, maybe he eats something.
Something they eat.
No, don't have. You check inside.
It is
Open
like
up.
a liver.
Open up the whole thing.
See?
What?
Something liver and everything it is having.
You can eat this one.
Okay.
It makes you nice for the
I will eat
bone.
with the rice.
This is your first time to eat this, but oh, how's it?
Inside that one very soft, tender, nice.
You focus this one, the batog.
This is maybe intestine.
Nice this one.
Okay. Tasty. But this is the first time. I don't feel any something smelly or what. The same like chicken. one
And
is
the
cooked
pumpkin.
nicely. Very soft. Okay guys, and then I have to finish up this one also, so I will see you on the next video, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment and share. God bless everyone.